Hey guys, okay, after you get your credits on My Cash Freebies, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create your own website. And the way to do that is you're going to come to weebly.www.weebly.com, and you're going to put your email, your name, your email, and your password in this area, and then you're going to click get started. Okay, and when you get started, it's going to take you into this. I'm actually doing one for someone right now, so I'm going to show you how this goes. When you come to the theme area, you're just going to pick a theme. Let's pick one out. There's a lot of themes to pick from. They're free themes, so you know that's good. Or you can actually look into the actual what type of category. So I'm just going to choose something that's I'm doing a business site, so I'll choose this one right here. This is cool. So you choose, you click choose here. Once you put your mouse over these things, a little pop-up will pop up. So you click choose, and this will open up the template for whatever you chose. Okay, so bear with my internet. Here we go. So now we're going to name this site, I guess the person who I'm doing this site for. We're going to name it Earn with, oh, sorry, Earn with Kelly. Okay, Earn with Kelly at Weebly.com. And we're going to click continue. Okay, now we're going to go to plan. It says plan site. Just go to build site. Build my site. That's where you guys want to be. Okay, so now that we're here, we're going to get busy. Let's start with the heading. We're going to change the heading. We're going to click the heading. Once you click it, just click it, and a little box will pop up here. And basically, you're just going to type. All right, so I'm going to type earn. Actually, I could put a space now. Okay, Earn with Kelly. And we'll just write something here. Get started now. Just change the G to make it capital. Okay guys, so now that you got that, you got the title. If you want to change the color of the title, you can highlight it like this, and then go to this button, the A button, and you can make it red if you like. However you want to do it. It's your decision. Up here, I'll put, again, Earn with Kelly. I might change that later. Just want you guys to get an overall understanding. So basically, now that you got the site title, we're gonna send this button to we're gonna create a contact page, and we're gonna make that button the contact page. So what you can do is you can highlight it, okay, and then you're going to click contact. Right, contact. Okay, and then after you write contact, you're going to click link. Okay, because you're going to link, this button is going to be linked to something. You got to link it to wherever you want this. Once a person clicks it, it has to take them somewhere. So you're going to click link, and what you're going to do is you're going to link it to the contact page. Now there's a contact page already here set up. So what we're going to do is find the page. If you click this, it'll link it to a website. If you go here to standard page, it'll link it to a standard page. Store page, you don't have a store page. If you have a file or an email, you can link it to that, but we're going to link it to standard page. And then we're going to, once you click that, it'll when you click this drop down menu, it'll tell you all the pages you have so far. So we're going to link it to contacts, and then we're going to click save, and then boom. Anytime someone clicks this, it'll take them to the contact page. All right, so let's get started building the site. We're going to start with a title. Okay, that's going to be our title. I like putting everything in first before I get started. So we're going to have a title, and then under the title we're going to create a video. So the video will be here, and then under the video it'll be some more text. So we put another title there, and then there will be a button, so to get started. So we'll take a button from the left and just drag it over here to the right like this. Alright, so now we're ready to go. Okay, so what we're doing is we're doing a site for my cash freebies. So what I'm doing is just taking information from my site. Okay, so I'll copy that. You guys are welcome to come to my site and copy as well. You know, this is on you. So copy. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click here and paste. Okay, I'm going to paste that. Now, like I said, you can change the color. If you want to make it red or whatever, you can change the color by going to the A and clicking this and just click the color, and then that's it. It'll turn that red. Now to get the video, we want a video. Okay, so I want to use this video here first to explain everything. So I'm going to go to get embedded code. You're going to right click on the video, and then you're going to go to get embedded code. Click that, and a little box appears, and you're going to right click into the blue area and click copy. You're going to pull this over here, and right here where it says click to set custom HTML, click in the box. Sometimes this happens, sometimes it gets stuck. And if it gets stuck like this for you guys, all you're going to do is go here and X out of it, hit delete, and then come over here and get a new one. So it's embedded code right here. This is what you're going to drag, and you're going to drop it. Now see, a blue line appears. I can put it under here. I can put it under here. Wherever that blue line lands is where it's going to drop. So I'm going to put it right there. Now you're going to click into the box, and when you see this pop up, you can click edit, and then you can go here where the highlighted blue is. It says click here to set custom HTML. You're going to right click, and then you're going to paste the code that you got for the video. And to see the video, all you do is click outside of the box. Okay, so your video's here, and your video is ready to go. In another video, I'll show you guys how to make the video actually play on its own. Actually, yeah, I'll show you now. If you want to change some of the coding in the video, just click here, and it'll go back to the frames or whatever. Let's see. Actually, I might just want to let this video. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like it is, or whatever. I like it the way it is. They can come in and click, because we're gonna add some more videos here as well. So you leave this video here, and this is the video on how to get started. Okay, and you can come here and take another video of mine's on that's basically why you have to do offers. You get the embedded code, right click, copy, and then you go back here, and you want to put another video right under the bottom. So you grab embedded code and you drag, drop. Okay, now you click inside, edit, right click on here and paste, and basically there it is, another video. Now I want to make this video smaller. It's kind of big, huge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, and I'm going to change this to 5 and change this to 4, and then click outside of the box, and it made the video smaller. See that? Okay, so now we're going to go down here and we're going to tell them to get started. Click the button. Okay, so well, actually, we're going to go down here and we're going to highlight this. Copy. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to paste. Okay, it says click the red arrow below to get started. Don't forget to do all 3 steps. So we're going to change this from the red arrow to button. Okay, so click the button below to get started. Don't forget there are 3 steps, so do all 3. And then the button, you're going to just make it say click here to get started. Okay, so once you got that there, you're going to link this to the next page. Okay, but you didn't create the next page yet, so you're just going to leave that like it is for now. Okay, so now your first page is done. Okay, this is the first page. The first page is complete. Now we're going to add another page. So you're going to go here to pages, and then you're going to click. You're going to create You're going to go here to where it says add. Page right here, so the little plus sign, it says add, click that, and then you want a standard page. Okay, so now when you get a standard page, make sure you guys click no header. You don't have to have a header right now, so just click no header, and we'll come back to that to the header later. Okay, but for right now we're just going to use this, and then you click save and edit down here. Oh, excuse me. Have to name the page. The page is called step 1. Okay, step 1. Okay. Create. And now we're ready to complete step 1. Let's create all the pages because there's 3 steps, 3 major steps. So we're going to do step 1, add. We're going to do standard page, and then we're going to do step 2. Step 2, and we're going to click no header and edit. Cool. Now we're going to go back to pages. We're going to do add, and we're going to do standard, and we're going to do step 3. Step 3. You could do this in the beginning, or you could do this, whenever you want. No header, and we're going to save edit. Okay, now we got a marketing system too, so, well, no we don't. You ain't going to use the marketing system because this is going to be the marketing system, so we're just going to use these 3 steps. Alright, so now when you go back to pages, it'll show you all the pages that you have. You have a home page, the about page, we're not going to use that. We don't need the about page. We're going to, actually, we're going to turn the about page to the how. Oh, yeah. How to create your own site. So we're going to make a page like that so you guys can, pass this along to your referrals. Now, you see how it's over here. It says how to create your site, and then it says home. You want to put this at the bottom. You want to put everything in chronological order. So the contacts is going to come after step 3, and then this can come last. Oh, actually, this can go before the contacts. This is step 1, step 2, step 3, and then how to create your site. The contacts can go last. So, all right, so now let's get started on step 1. Oh, go to home first. Go to home and go into the edit. And you remember that button that I told you guys at the bottom? Remember I told you this button had the link to something? Well, you're going to click into it and a little box will appear, and you're going to click link, and you're going to link this to, you're going to go here to where it says standard pages again, and now step 1, all your pages is here, so you're going to link this to step 1. Click step 1 and click save. So now when they click here to get started, it's going to take them to step 1. All right, so now that that's done, you're going to go back 2 pages and you're going to go to step 1. And once you go to step 1, you're going to click edit. And let's do the same thing over again. When we click here, this takes us to step 1. Okay, so now we want to set up everything like we did before. We want words here. Let's see, I want that there. I want that there. Okay, so we're going to come back here and we're going to put our video in. We're going to put our text under. Then we're going to put 2 buttons. Okay, so it's usually text, video, text, 2 buttons. Text, video, text, 2 buttons. Text, video, text, 2 buttons. Get it? Got it? Good. All right, so where's the buttons? Where's the buttons? Okay. Button here. And another button there. The reason why we're putting 2 buttons now is because one button will take you to the actual site, the MyCash Freebie site, and the other button will take you to step 2. Okay, we want this to go through in chronological order, like I said before. Let's go back to the site, and we're going to highlight all of this good stuff. Ooh. Copy, and then we can paste. And here, I don't know why this video thing is acting up today. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm recording. But anyway, like I said before, just close it if you got a problem with it. And we're going to put another edit box there. So we're going to slide that right there and drop it. Now when we click in there, it should be good. Yes. Now we're going to go back here and we're going to copy this video. Right click, get embed code. Right click, copy. You're going to go back here to edit. Then you're going to right click and paste. Click outside the box and the video will appear. Go back to my page. Right click, get embedded code. Right click, copy. Go back to the site and drop another video under the bottom of that. Okay. Going to click inside, edit custom HTML. You're going to right click here and you're going to paste. Click outside, video will appear. Okay, now if there's some writing under this video, highlight this, right click, and then copy. Go back here, click in the box, you're going to right click and paste. So all of that stuff is set there. I want to make this a little smaller, so I'm going to highlight it. And then you see this plus and then the takeaway sign, you hit the takeaway sign and it'll just make it smaller. Okay, so now you're going to go back here, copy, and then you're going to add another text here. Click into the box, right click, and then paste to let them know. And matter of fact, I want to make this in reds just to let them know that this is very important. So we're going to click the A box, and then right here you can slide the slider up and down to do whatever color you want, or you can pick a color out of the palettes here. But I like to go to the slider and then click the red here. Click out of that, and that's how you get out of it. All right. So now this button right here is going to be go to the link to the. It's going to go to a link, okay, to a page that the person has for their on their MyCash Freebie. Their MyCash Freebies referral link goes into this box. When I click in here again, and I click link, I'm going to put the My Cash Freebies link here. I'm not going to show you the My Cash Freebies link for this person, but this is where you're going to put the My Cash Freebies link in here. You're going to make sure that this is clicked next. Each one of these boxes you have to check next to it. So if you're going to use this, you're going to have to check this. If you're going to use this, you're going to have to check the box. So we're using a website URL. Okay, so the first box, you want this box to be directly linked. You want this to be directly linked to their My Cash Freebies referral ID code. So what you're going to do is you're just going to type in here step 1. Fast track, because fast track is the first step. And then we're going to go here. Under the bottom is this is going to take you to the next page, which is step 2. So we're going to go step 2, and then we're going to write, I believe it's in the bag. Step 2 in the bag. Now when we do step 2 in the bag, you're going to click in here. And then you're going to go to link. And then you're going to go here to standard page, and then you're going to find step 2. And then you're going to click it here. And then you're going to hit save. So basically now when they click step 2, it's going to take them to the step 2 page on the website. And you're going to do this for step 3 as well. This is what you're going to do. This is how you're going to layer your offers. Okay. Let's go to do page 2. Step 3. Okay, so we're going to go to step 3, or no, step 2, sorry, and then we're going to go to edit, and that's going to bring us into here. And remember, you guys, we're going to do text. Last time we did the video and it was messing up, so I'll put the video in last. We're going to just imagine in order. We're going to do text, and then the video is going to be there, and then the next one is going to be a text again, and then the next one is going to be 2 buttons, 1 and 2. Oh, we had another text under the video. Let's go to step 2. Let's see what's under the video. Oh, actually there is no text under the video, so we can remove this. Okay, so now let's go to step 2 really quick. Copy, right click and copy here, go back here and paste, make it a little smaller. Now we're going to go back here first, and we're going to right click and get the embedded code, right click and copy. I'm going to go back here, and you're going to put the embedded code right here. Now click inside, right click on the words and paste. Click outside the box and the video appears. Again, right click, copy embedded code, copy, go back here, put the embedded code there, click in there, and paste. Click outside the box, the video appears. Okay, now when you come down here, you're going to, this is, what do I have here? I have step 2 in the bag, and then, okay, so this is step 2, so the first button is going to go directly to the My Cash Freebie site. So, step 2, and the bag. Now, we're going to go here to the next button, and we're going to go to, we're going to say this is step 3, because that's going to lead you to the step 3. So we're going to be in step 3's link. We're going to go here. Okay, the step 3 is going to be Express. So step 3, Express. We're going to go to the link button here, and we're going to link this page to step 3 right here. Okay, now you're going to save, and bada boom, bada bing. Okay, so we got step 1, step 2, step 3, and then the marketing system. Okay, so we're going to get the marketing system. Okay, so the marketing system. Oh, well, actually, wait, sorry. Step 3 is going to be Express, and I have to make some changes to this, so we're going to copy this. Oh, actually, we'll just do it right now. How about that? Right click, copy, go here, and we're going to go back here. After we have all this stuff ready, now we're going to go to step 3. Okay, go to pages, go to step 3, and then edit. Okay, and now we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to put this here. How do we have it here? Okay, so we have a little text here and the 2 buttons. So we're going to put this here. We're going to drag another text here for the bottom under the video. We're going to put 2 buttons. 1, 2. Okay, so now first thing we're going to do is paste what we've copied. All right. Instead of 20, this will be paying 25. Okay, not 26. 25. Now we're going to add the video. Go here, right click, embed code, copy, and now we're going to put the embed code tool here. Click in it, right click, paste. This is going to be too big, I can tell right now, so we're going to make this 8 and to 7. No, 6, excuse me. 6, and we're going to make 5, 4. Cool. Now we're going to grab these texts, this little text under the bottom, copy, and we're going to paste these here. Make them smaller. Looks more presentable, smaller. And for the buttons, we're going to send them, this is step 3, so we're going to call this step 3 Express. Step 3 Express, and this is going to be create free website. And to create free website, you're going to link this to, you're going to go here to standard page where all your pages are, and you're going to link this to how to create your own site. And then you're going to click save. Well, I should have made it the same thing. All right, so I'm going to make it the same thing. How to create your own site. Okay, so now that's all connected. Let's check out everything. This page here, let's go back to page 2 just to make sure everything was correct. Step 3 Express. Yeah, so now when you go back to when you scroll up here and you go to home, you got the home page here where you got your videos, and then when they click get started, it's going to take them to step 1. When they come to step 1, they can watch the videos here, and then they can click, after they do the sign up, they click step 1 or whatever, they come back and they click step 2. So step 2 will take them here, And then once they do step 2, they can go to step 3, and then step 3 will take them here to do step 3. And then once they do step 3, they can come here to how to create your own site, and then that will take them to a page that I have not created yet, because this is the video that I'm going to put on that page. So when they go to that page, they'll be able to watch the video, and they'll your referrals will be able to create their own site. Okay, so don't forget, guys. I didn't show you guys because this is somebody else's referral site or whatever, but when you click here where it says step 3, you're going to always the top button will lead to the actual My Cash Freebie site. So it says step 3 Express. This will go here, and then the referral link for My Cash Freebies Express will go here. And the same thing goes with any of the other steps. Okay, so if you go to step 1, you go down here to step 1 Fast Track. Okay, you're going to click in here, and you're going to click link, and then you're going to put step 1 Fast Track referral ID number link, the whole link, the referral ID link for Fast Track is going to go here, and then you're going to click save. Okay, so I hope you guys this is how you're going to create your own site for your referral for your business. Basically, when you have your own site, you can control the content on your site, and then you can add other things to the site or whatever that for whatever other businesses you have. So this is a great tool for you guys to have. So enjoy, and once you finish creating the site, I'll just show you real quick. Once you finish doing all your buttons and getting everything the way you want it, you're going to click publish, and then it's going to come here, and then you're going to make sure that's checked. Unless you have a registered domain, you want to just click here to use the subdomain, which is earnwithkelly@weebly.com, and then you're going to click continue. And then once you click continue, it's going to ask you what type of site, and you're just going to click business, and then you're going to click continue. And then once you click continue, the verification codes is 1360, and then click OK, publish my site. And once the site publishes, there it is. It says website published, and then right here is the link. Okay, so when you click this link, it'll open up and go straight to the website, and this is how the website's going to look. Okay, and then click here to get started. It goes to the next page, like I told you guys, and then this will be going to the site, and then step 2 in the bag. When you click it, it takes you to the next page, which is step 2, and then step 3 takes you to the next page, which is the how to create Express, step 3, and then this one will take you to how to create your site. Alright, so you guys, now you know how to create and build your own site. I hope you guys enjoy, and use this site for your best, for its fullest advantage, because you also have room to put more stuff. So if you got stuff that you want to sell, you can also add these things as well. Alright, talk to you guys soon.